Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Shadira. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So in today's video, you're going to be watching me organize my mini refrigerator that I have in my bedroom. This refrigerator is not big enough, but it's small enough, if that makes sense. In my previous video down below at Dollar Tree, I think it was Dollar Tree, I brought a bunch of items to put in my mini refrigerator. So you can watch that video and see what I purchased before you watch this video of me organizing my mini refrigerator. So I'm not gonna talk you guys' head off because it's gonna be a short, simple video straight to the point of me organizing my mini refrigerator. I cut my hair, I don't know if I cut it too short, but it is what it is. I wanna show you guys my outfit. I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. My outfit is a Fashion Nova outfit that I had for like a couple of years. I never wore this outfit. I wore the jacket one time, but I never wore the shorts. So here's the outfit. I never wore this outfit before. Like I said, I wore the jacket before, but never the shorts to go with it. I rolled the top of the shorts up because it looks weird like this. Oh no, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a minute. Let me see. I mean, either way, it looks good. But this video is not about this outfit. This video is about my mini refrigerator. But I want to show y'all guys how cute my outfit is. What y'all think? Fashion Nova. That's where I got it from. This top, I think I got it from Walmart. Definitely Walmart. They were like $7. But yeah, this is the cute outfit. So yes, let's get into this mini refrigerator organizing. And we're gonna cue the intro right here.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag.
outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one really, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG.
Okay, we have reached the end of my video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, leave a big fat thumbs up. And yeah, follow me on all my social sites. The links will be down in the description down below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. And thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. Welcome to all my new subbies, all my new supporters. I thank you guys. It's been a slow process with my channel growing. Because, you know, in the beginning I wasn't consistent, but now I'm on it. Like, I'm on it. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays I upload videos. And I'm staying consistent, and I'm just going to take it slow. I'm not going to rush it this time like I did last time. I'm just going to keep going and keep going and keep going. And I thank you guys. I'm almost at 100 subscribers. I know that's not much, but it's enough. And I'm grateful. And I thank you guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys and I thank you. Until next time, peace.
Comfortable in my skin, cozy with who I am.